Okay, so this is Glenn from Coins and Banknotes. So here I am on eBay, and today we're talking about how to get combined postage on items. So this is a seller, I think Bruno Oscar. I'm not going to comment, but I'm not going to comment on his items, but he has items for bid. So if you buy a lot of auctions on one seller, and when the auction finishes they can combine postage. So that's very simple. Auctions are a good way to go, but you need to put in a maximum amount you're going to spend, and after that, if you don't get the item, just let it go, unless it is a very scarce or rare item, which sometimes eBay only has one of that item, which you might want to increase your bid. Okay, then we go here. So here we have another cyber coins and banknotes. Okay, so if you click on the item, you see it has make an offer. If you buy it now, or put in the cart, if you buy it now you have to pay for the actual postage, but this is free postage, so that's alright. Postage is included in the price. So it doesn't matter how many of these items that you buy, they're going to combine post anyway. So this one, where it's got free postage, is also well, they can automatically combine the post, but they don't need to. If you've got postage specialized, so this is a Papal States, $1 or 5 cents. So $20, yeah, that's probably average price for it. $10 postage, that will be registered, which is normal for, like the UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, United States, as we see here, which has, you can't register letters for some reason. It's just their postal services. So in this one, unfortunately, you can try and add it to the cart and add a lot of things to the cart. Sometimes the cart does combine the postage. Sometimes it does not. Or in this case, if you really want the coin, you're just going to pay for postage. And in this way, how I usually do it is that if people pay for 3 or 4 postage, I usually just refund the postage that's excess. But on postage, you're also paying fees to eBay. eBay doesn't refund those fees. Even if you ask them to, they just say no. So that's like it's usually about 11%. But then you got 30 cents on top of that as well. So that is $14. It's probably $1.60, $1.70 with postage. So that's why postage is usually higher. But if you go to another item, so here we got Papal States. Let me just check to, okay, this one seems good. So if it is just a buy it now and has cart and auction, the best way to get combined postage is to make an offer. Now, it doesn't mean you have to make an offer that's lower. You can actually make the offer that's the same amount, so $23. I had that with a person. They asked about combined postage, and I just said make an offer. I can combine the postage that way. So if you buy 3 or 4 items from this person, make an offer, they accept the offer, you don't pay it straight away, they can send an invoice. So you can combine postage that way. And with buy it now items, this is probably the best way to do it, because as I said, if you just buy it now, you're going to be paying the postage on all the items independently. So if you buy 4 of these coins, you're going to buy from 4 listings, you're going to pay $16 postage. If you make an offer, you can reduce that to $4 postage. If you add it to cart, yeah, sometimes they can combine the postage with one seller. Sometimes they can't. Most of the time, with people who have purchased from me, it is that they can't combine the postage, and I don't know why. But this one's quite nice, $23. So if we convert it to Australian dollars, so you just put AU in the actual title, and yeah, it gives you an exchange rate. So it's $35, and that is a 10 soldi, 1868, and that one is is that, oh yeah, 50 cents. So 50 cents. So these are modeled after the coinage of Italy, which was introduced in I can't remember, 1865. That's where we need to go to Numista. So, oh look, Jupiter, that's my screensaver. And as you can see, I have a lot of coin related topics there. So if we go to Numista, coins, and we have to go down to Italy. Okay, Italian States, Italy, and 1861. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 1861 was when they introduced it. And the Papal States, when did they? Okay. Papal, is that Papal? Oh yeah, Papal States, yeah. And as you can see, they've got different types of coins from different places. 1866, so 5 years after. And beforehand, they issued the soldo equals 100 baiocchi. So if we go to 1 baiocco, this is 1/100th. So this is pretty much the first decimal coinage, which was introduced in the 1500s. So the United States didn't introduce the first decimal coinage, even though they like to claim to. It was Papal States that did, as far as I know. So, yep, that is, I need to get this coin, 30 baiocchi. So that is how you combine postage on these items. Make an offer is the best way. So that's why I encourage sellers to probably make an offer. You can put a minimum amount that you're willing to accept, and then anything lower than that is automatically rejected. I recommend you do that as well. It just saves you wasting your time, and it also gets rid of those who are just fishing for $1 items. Anyway, hope this helps you with your purchases on eBay. Now, why do I use eBay? Well, basically, it has the largest category of coins from all different periods that I know. You can go to VCoins. If you're going to buy ancient coins, I recommend that you do go to VCoins or MA shops. Even for medieval coins, they have a more variety of those ones, because those are from sellers who have a reputation. Here you do get a lot of people selling counterfeits. I haven't seen many counterfeits of Papal States. Probably the gold coins there are, but I don't purchase the gold coins. Yeah, but the more popular, lower value coins, like $100 to $200, you do a lot of Chinese counterfeits. A lot of 1934 florins, 1938 crowns, the $2001 mule. There's quite a few counterfeits. I think eBay's clamped down on them. So anyway, thank you very much. Let me know if this helps you with your purchases and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Just remember, best offer, best way to get combined postage.